Here's an example homework where we are told to find all the roots of this particular function. The function here is to the fourth power, so we're going to get four roots. We're just not sure what style they'll be. If we looked at the graph, it could cross the x-axis 4 times and then we'd be almost finished. But let's use other methods. One is to find all the possible rational roots. If you recall, you take the factors of the 8, 4, 2, and 1, the factors of 8, the factors of the leading coefficient, which are 1, and you put those in the denominator. You look at all the possibilities here. So we got a lot of possibilities. There's kind of like 8 different possibilities. After a while, if we get lucky, let's suppose we happen to stumble on 2 being one of the correct answers. So let's try 2. 2, and we grab the coefficients 1, 0, -6, 0, and 8. Put those into our synthetic division, our final answer down here. And you bring down the 1, 2 times the 1 is 2, add, 2 times the 2 is 4, add. And since there's a 0, that means 2 was a correct answer. The part that I have underlined here in green will be the x cubed 2x squared -2x minus 4. That's what's left after you've factored. So that's the next factor. So since 2 is a correct answer, x minus 2 is a factor, and the green part here is the next one. Okay, again, let's use the coefficients, 1, 2, -2, -4. And after stumbling around, and we come up with -2 actually being the next possible root. Try it. Bring down the 1, -2 times 1, -2, add, and so on. 0 for remainder means the 1, 0, -2 is what's left. That's going to give me the next factor, which will be x squared plus 0x minus 2. So we got x squared plus 0x minus 2, and since -2 was a root or 0, then the factor is x plus 2. Now we use the quadratic formula here. If we use the quadratic formula on it, we get plus or minus the square root of 2. Other ways you could do this, you could take the x squared by itself, move the 2 to the right, and then take the square root of both sides. You get x equals positive or negative radical 2. And there's our 4 answers, just like the fundamental theorem told us there'd be 4. This particular one has 4 real answers. 2 of them are have radicals in them, but there are 4 real answers.